Here we are. We got David Beard and Leo long SINA, which is breaking all-time highs as well. We made a successful trade on the S&P index options. I am going to now show the Amazon trade at David Beard. Move your stop market up to 213 now, 97 pennies, and you lock in the high side of the profit. Leo, where's your entry on Amazon?
My entry on Amazon is 212.57.
212.57. You got down here. You got right in here in that big 3-minute breakout bar using this application. You are breaking higher. Didn't I say that Amazon would break another high? Now they slid that bid, so keep the stop markets there at 97 cents and protect the whole enchilada. You made an intraday trend ratio high of 0.21. We were buying down here at negative 0.38, minus 6 teenies, which equaled negative $2 wholesale to positive now $1.21. Now, Leo, David, you didn't get stopped, and as long as we can break a series of higher ratios, just like we did, the first one was 0.14, we went up to 21, but we're right there. We're thromboning. And the thing about it is, as long as we stay elevated for as long as it will before it reverses, we are going to move our stop market orders up. Now, what you can move, David, you could move your stop market up to 214.10 and really lock in your profits. Leo, you could just keep yours at 214.10. You're in at what price, Leo?
12.57.
Okay, and what's your entry on SINA?
12.25.
What is your entry on SINA? 112.20.
112.25.
That's a huge trade, sir.
Yeah, it was sweet. Thank you.
I want you to move your stock market up there to, let's say, 115.65 and protect the majority of that move. And whoever else is in SINA, you would do the same thing. And on the Amazon trade, we are breaking higher. I'm going to pull up a SINA chart just so that we can see where those breakouts were and how to protect those profits. It's really making another high. I've got to congratulate you. What was it like? It just made a high and just dropped the bid. You see that? That's why I want you to protect that move. And that's exactly what it did. Here, I will pull up the SINA chart. Here's the SINA breakout. You were in right here in this breakout bar, Mr. Leo, where it took out these double tops. So you really paid attention that when they can bring them down to the wholesale bid and when things change and you break the double tops, you really learned that so far for only being in MMT for a very short period of time is not to fight the application, but to take advantage of the moves. Now, you may get stopped out on Amazon and you may get stopped out over here, Leo, but why don't you tell me what you were using to get these entries, both on the Amazon and because you got excellent entries on both. So what were you watching, Leo, that made you want to get in these trades?
Well, the platform and the confirmation bars there just told me it was time to get in. Even just as a rookie MMT, the instruction here in class has been hammered home successfully, even in my thick head, to jump on those. And you gave the pre-market trade management, so I had a heads up on that, and I was looking for both these trades on SINA and Amazon.
Okay, good. So you used what the application is designed for, which is a market maker application, right? And everything that you've been taught in here gave you the opportunity to make huge gains.
It was like an open window.
It was. Now, Mr. Beard, let me ask you, you bought, first, go ahead and tell me your entries and what triggered you in the trade here on Amazon.
Okay, I got stopped out
okay.
Right before the crossover of the 10-minute on the 20-minute.
Okay.
But the IR... it held above 65.
Okay.
So I felt there was strength in this move. And it came right. It just kind of went sideways a little bit for, I'm seeing 12 minutes.
Okay.
And I said, well, it's time to get back in this thing. So I got back in it right on that the big green bar.
Right here?
At 51 pennies.
Okay. Well, you had two orders. You had one down below the market here, and then you had another one that you added to it. And are you still, did it take you out on a stop market order? I don't think it did.
Yes, I got stopped out.
Okay.
My stop was at 10 pennies, and it's dropped below that right now. So.
It is, and you're dropping below 95 here. And Leo, you're well stopped out already on SINA because you were up at the high with the stop market at 89 cents, right?
That's right.
So you took your profits there. So both of you did what? You did it right. And you sold into the high when it changed over here on Amazon. You had the stop market up here at the highs at 10 cents. And it's going to come back down. We'll take a look and we'll monitor this together. You were out up toward the highs here on SINA. You had a $3 move here. You had about what, a $3? That's about $6 in movement between both stocks or close to it. And trading 100 shares makes pretty good money because if you can do it consistently, then you have great results. Excellent job, both of you.
Thank you.